We didn't come this far this way, no.
Well, the last time I was here 2 years ago, and me and my friend Gabriel, we parked over this low area parking, and we walked in this way. So I'm just why I'm like confused. Place is massive.
Yeah, it is. Well, MomoCon's gonna have also cars here too.
And what?
They're gonna have cars here too.
Oh, really?
Yes, this is new this year.
Where are they trying to...
It's gonna be like, Scooby-Doo vehicles.
Cars like animals?
Yes,
So like, on the third.
I don't know. They didn't. I didn't specifically say that I saw, but yeah. So. That's about right.
I don't know if it'll be here this year, but Fox 5 had their... Okay, that's not it. This one.
It's sit down, fool. Excuse me?